guys, we're going to do some counting today. It's winter, so we're going to count some winter stuff. Over here, I've taken off my shoes and socks. So when you've got two socks, what are two socks called? Two socks are a pair. One pair of socks and two socks. I've also got one pair of shoes, which makes a pair, and that's two shoes. But there's some other things we could count as well. What about parts of my body? How many eyes do I have? How many eyes do you have? 1, 2. And ears? 1, 2. But we want to count to more than 2. So can you think of something that might have 3 or 4 or 5? I know. Let's start with our fingers. If you count your fingers, you can get all the way up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the other hand, I've also got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the big kids, like Teacher Colleen's and Teacher Jean's children, if we've got 5 and 5 and we add them together, how many is that all together? That makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you want to go even further, seeing as I've taken off my socks and shoes, you can do some counting on your feet. You can count my toes. So if we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes, plus 5 fingers and another 5 fingers, all together, how many have we got? That would make 20. 10 plus 10 gives us 20 altogether. Why don't you guys do some counting at your house? Fingers and toes and body parts and clothes. How many scarves do you have? How many winter hats do you have? How many gloves are there in a pair of gloves? You do some counting at your house. Maybe you can count your mom's and your dad's fingers and toes and see if you can get that high.